Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Assistant Professor Mr. Keshav Shyam Pakhre, Department of Chemistry, Anandibhai Ravrane Arts, Commerce and Science College, Vaibhawadi. Today we will see the unit number 1, chapter number 2, lecture 5, Molecular Orbital Theory. In previous video we have already seen the example of heteronuclear diatomic molecule, that means NO and NO plus, that means nitric oxide and nitrosyl ion. In this video, we will see the example of hydrogen chloride molecule, that means HCl molecule. The molecule is made up of hydrogen and chlorine atoms. The electronic configuration of the combining atoms for the formation of HCl molecule are hydrogen atom, which having the atomic number 1 and its electronic configuration 1s2 1, and that of chlorine atom has atomic number 17 and that of electronic configuration is 1s2 2s2 2p raised to 6 3s2 3px raised to 2 3py raised to 2 and 3pz raised to 1. Thus in HCl molecule there are 18 electrons, that means 17 plus 1, that is 18 electrons. The spectroscopic measurements of energy of various atomic orbitals of chlorine atom reveal that the energies of the atomic orbitals up to 3s, that is 1s, 2s, 2p and 3s, that means up to here, is quite low as compared to the energy of 1s atomic orbital of the hydrogen atom. In other words, the electrons up to 3s atomic orbitals of chlorine atom are buried deep and therefore do not take part in bonding. The 3p atomic orbital of chlorine atom are close in energy as compared to 1s atomic orbital of the hydrogen atom. Let us now find out a suitable atomic orbital out of 3p atomic orbital of the chlorine atom, which will overlap effectively with the 1s atomic orbital of the hydrogen atom. If we take the HCl bond axis as z-axis, then 3px or 3py orbitals remain non-bonding, as represented in figure A and B respectively. This is the figure A and this is the figure B, as there is a complete mismatch of the symmetries of the combining atomic orbitals. Now see the figure A, which is representing non-bonding situation due to interaction of 1s atomic orbital of hydrogen and 3px atomic orbital of chlorine, and that of figure B shows that the non-bonding situation due to interaction of 1s atomic orbital of hydrogen and 3px atomic orbital of chlorine. As we have already seen in point number 6 and 7, here we have considered the z-axis while overlapping of atomic orbital of hydrogen and atomic orbital of chlorine. As we also known that the shape of the 1s atomic orbital of hydrogen is spherical and that of 3px orbit has dumbbell shape. Therefore, the overlapping is mismatched due to the mismatch overlapping. That means one of the lobe of 3px is positively charged and another lobe is negatively charged. They cannot overlap effectively with each other. Same case is happen in case of overlapping between 1s atomic orbital of hydrogen and 3py atomic orbital of chlorine. Now see next point. Thus the 3pz atomic orbital of the chlorine atom is the only suitable orbital for interacting with 1s atomic orbital of the hydrogen atom in a fruitful manner. That is, the combination of 1s atomic orbital of the hydrogen and 3pz atomic orbital of the chlorine leads to a bonding situation as shown in figure. This is possible since there is a proper matching of the symmetries of the combining atomic orbital. Here we can see this is the atomic orbital of hydrogen and this is the dumbbell shaped atomic orbital of chlorine atom, that means 3pz orbital. The interaction of 1s atomic orbital of hydrogen and 3pz atomic orbital of chlorine atom leads to bonding situation. That means the positive spherical lobe of 1s orbital of hydrogen atom and positive lobe of the 3pz atomic orbital of chlorine effectively overlap with each other and forms bonding and antibonding molecular orbitals. Thus, the linear combination of atomic orbitals and molecular orbitals in HCl molecule are constructed using 1s atomic orbital of the hydrogen atom, which is having electronegativity 2.1 on Pauling scale. Its 3pz atomic orbital lies at lower energy than the 1s atomic orbital of the hydrogen atom. Here we can see 1s atomic orbital of hydrogen atom, which is lie at left hand side of the molecular orbital diagram, which is lie at higher energy level as compared to the 3pz atomic orbital of chlorine, which is lie at lower energy level on my right hand side. So a simplified molecular orbital diagram of HCl molecule is represented in this figure. Here we can see the molecular orbitals are shown at the middle of this diagram. The 1s orbital of hydrogen atom is effectively overlapped with 3pz atomic orbital of chlorine, forms one bonding molecular orbital, that is sigma pz, and one antibonding molecular orbital, that is sigma star pz. At the same time, 3px orbital and 3py orbital lie as non-bonding. Therefore, the molecular structure of HCl molecule can be written as follows. The molecular structure can be formed by the combination or overlapping of hydrogen and chlorine orbitals. That means hydrogen 1s1 plus chlorine 1s2 2s2 2p raised to 6 3s2 3p raised to 5 forms a molecular orbital of k 2s raised to 2 2p raised to 6 3s raised to 2 sigma pz raised to 2 3px raised to 2 and 3py raised to 2. At last, the bond order. It works out to be 1 in HCl molecule. Bond order of for HCl is equal to, by applying the bond order formula, 1/2 into number of bonding orbitals in number of electrons present in bonding molecular orbital minus number of antibonding electrons. By applying this formula, we will get the value 1, that is the bond order of HCl is 1. The bond order of 1 implies that there is just one sigma bond holding the two atoms of HCl molecule. This single bond pair electron is localized mainly on the more electronegative atom of chlorine, leading to the polarity in the molecule. Magnetic behavior of HCl molecule is diamagnetic because all the electrons are paired in its molecular structure. So this is all about the molecular orbital diagram of HCl molecule. Thank you.